So let's be real, remote work is disappearing faster than anyone expected.
AT&T, Amazon, and Dell.
Federal workers.
Employees at the Washington Post, they are being ordered back to the office 5 days a week.
Companies dangled it like a carrot during COVID, but now they are quietly pulling it back. Many of my friends who recently landed jobs that promise fully remote are suddenly being told to return 4 days a week. If you're like me, living in Texas and paying crazy tolls just to commute, you're probably wondering, is it even worth it anymore? With giants like JP Morgan Chase already requiring 5 full days in the office, the trend is only getting worse. But here's the good news. After digging deep, I've found 3 top tech companies still truly committed to remote friendly or flexible hybrid work. And if you're in DevOps or Cloud, these could be your way in. Plus, stick around to the end because I'll share a free resume template that personally helped me land 2 high-paying SRE job offers in this brutal 2025 job market. First up is GitLab. And no surprise here, GitLab has been remote first since day one. Their entire culture is built around distributed work. They have team members in over 60 countries, and their famous handbook actually documents how they run a fully remote company. If you're into DevOps, CI/CD, or cloud engineering, GitLab is one of the best out there for real remote friendly work. Second, we've got HashiCorp, now part of IBM. Despite the acquisition, HashiCorp has maintained its remote first DNA. If you work with tools like Terraform, Consul, Vault, or Nomad, you know how central they are to modern cloud and DevOps workflows. They've always operated as a distributed company, and they're still hiring globally across engineering, DevOps, and SRE roles. Third is Airbnb. They made headlines in 2022 with their remote work anywhere policy. And while many companies have walked that back, Airbnb is still one of the most flexible big tech companies hiring today. The engineering roles often support hybrid or remote friendly setups, especially in the US market. So while a lot of companies are pulling back on remote work, these 3, GitLab, HashiCorp, and Airbnb, are still standing strong. If your dream is to land a high-paying remote DevOps or cloud role, grab my free resume template that I used to land not 1, but 2 6-figure SRE offers. Even in this tough market, you'll find the link below. And if this video helped you, drop a comment and let me know if you'd like me to turn this into a full video series, covering more companies and strategies for breaking into remote DevOps or SRE roles. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.